Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to continue our study on Mo Willems, and we're also going to continue with our character traits. So just to go over, character traits are words we use to describe a character. Brave, mean, pretty, short, lazy, caring. These are all things we went over yesterday. So think about how the characters look. What do you see on the outside? She's tall. She has earrings, she wears glasses, she has blonde hair, she's happy because she has a smile on her face. Then let's think about what the characters say, do, and feel. What you might not see on the outside, but you will see from the inside. How they treat people, what they do to different kinds of people. What they say to people. Are they rude when they speak? Are they nice when they speak? How they feel. Can you see that somebody's sad? Can you see that somebody's upset or somebody's scared just by looking at the pictures? So again, I can use words to describe a character. And yesterday, we went over Gerald, and I added some of the things that you guys had written about Gerald. So I wrote with you worried, planner, because he likes to plan things out, and tall. And you guys, most of you wrote he was a good friend, he's nice, he's silly, and he's funny. So today we're going to read another Elephant and Piggy book, and we're going to decide what character traits Piggy has. So our book today is called Elephants Cannot Dance by Mo Willems. Gerald! Let's dance. I can teach you. I'm teaching all my friends. I would love to learn how to dance. But elephants cannot dance. You are kidding me. No. Look it up. Page 11. Look at Piggy's face. Gerald, it does not say that you cannot try. You are right, Piggy. I can try to dance. I will try to dance. What is? Let's dance. Woof. Okay, let's go. Jump with me when I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Jump.
Jump.
You were a little late on the jump. I was a little late on the jump. We will try again. We will try again.
Yes, we can.
Move your arms this way. We will try again. We will try again. Lift your leg this way. We will try again. We will try again. Up. Up, down, down, spin, spin, stop, stop, forward, forward, backward, backward, wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle, robot walk, robot walk. Enough! I have tried and tried and tried and tried. But I am an elephant, and elephants just cannot dance. Plop. Oh, Gerald.
Oh, Gerald.
Hello. We are ready to learn some moves.
Hello.
I am sorry. I cannot teach you now. My friend is sad.
Silly.
Silly? We do not
Silly.
want you to teach us.
I don't
We want to learn the elephant. Teach me, please. Me too.
Please.
Me three.
Me four.
More feeling. Keep trying. You are getting it. The end. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to write about the character traits Piggy has. So what are some of the things you noticed in all the books we read about Piggy? So one thing we know is he's nice. In this book, he's trying to teach Elephant how to dance. Another thing I noticed is he's silly. I noticed in all of the books, he seems to be making silly faces or doing silly things, like when he had the umbrella, he had all of those things to go and drive in the car, and then when they asked if he had a car, he said, I'm a pig, why would I have a car? But he had an umbrella and all those other things. I thought that was pretty silly. And another thing is he's a good friend. When Elephant is upset because he can't dance, and he just says he wants to be there because Elephant is upset. Gerald is upset. So your job is going to be to fill in the 4 other bubbles on the character traits of Piggy. If you need any help, you can text or call me, or email or dojo. I look forward to seeing your work. Have a great day.